Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech AI. In today's video, I will show you most useful Windows shortcut keys that can significantly boost your productivity. Let's get started. For starters, they can help you work more quickly and efficiently. They can also help you be more productive by allowing you to do multiple tasks at once. In addition, keyboard shortcuts can help you lock your screen or switch between windows and apps. Let's go. Key 1. Control plus C. First up is Control plus C. This shortcut is used to copy any selected text, files, or folders. Just highlight what you want to copy and press Control plus C. After this, now we move to Step 2 to paste the copied item. Key 1. Control plus V. Next is Control plus V. After copying an item, use this shortcut to paste it. Just place cursor where you want the item and press Control plus V. Key 3. Control plus X. This command cuts from selected text, file, folder, meaning it removes it from original or copied, ready-to-quoted elsewhere. Just highlight text and press Control plus X. Key 4. Control plus Z. Ever made a mistake? This shortcut undoes last action you performed. It is lifesaver when you accidentally cut something. Press Control plus Z. Now deleted item undo easily. Key 5. Control plus Y. This shortcut redoes an action that you just undid with Control plus Z. It is perfect when you change your mind again and want to restore the undone action. Press Control plus Y. Now text again disappear or delete. Key 6. Control plus S. For all your browsers out there, Control plus S is used to save the text or item you want. It is really quick way to save every item easily in your PC. Key 7. Windows plus D. Need to quickly see desktop. Windows plus D minimizes all open windows and show you laptop desktop. Press again. Your window return to their previous state. Key 8. If you are working with multiple tabs in a browser, Control plus T open a new tab. It is fast way to start new search without closing your current tabs. Key 9. Control plus Tab. Managing multiple tabs. Control plus Tab lets you cycle through them. This is handy for switching between different web pages or documents quickly. I again back to previous tab. Key 10. Lastly, Control plus F opens Find Dialog in most applications or texts. Use it to search for specific text within a document, web page, or other files. It is great for quick locating information. And there you have it, 10 essential Windows shortcut keys that can make your life a lot easier. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech ties and tutorials.